Hey everybody, and welcome back to my Ball of a channel. I'm Ray, and today we're back playing Starry Seasons Pioneers of Olive Town. Last time we left off, we managed to get into the mine, found out that we needed a few upgrades, we got the silo, checked out the beauty salon, had a few heart events, and I was playing offline so I could get some more materials before we continued, but I went to sleep. It automatically saves when you sleep, but then all of a sudden that cutscene started, and I'm like, nope. Everyone must see this. Also, he's so cute. It's a little piggy. And seeing as there's no pigs in Starry Seasons, I thought I'd a little pigginess. So, I think that's everything, so let's get to it. Yes, honestly. And I realized in my last video that the music was really soft, kind of hard to hear, so I'm hoping you guys can hear it now. I'm still learning without my mic how loud it actually is, so definitely sorry about that if you couldn't hear things properly. So this is the little cutscene that started. I didn't want you to miss it. I don't know what it is. What's up, Cindy? I thought I heard someone singing. Singing. Yes, I still have my gold. It's just going through the house and it keeps coming back to me. What's that? Who's there? Oh, it's our little ghost friend! They can't see her. I think. I think it's a girl. I don't know. Them. I'm gonna say them for now because I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. Your singing stopped. It's just your imagination. Stop trying to scare me like that. Right. Were you the one just singing now? No. I do not have a good singing voice. It's definitely not me. Someone over there? Ah, a ghost! This is just a prank, right? I don't believe in ghosts, but don't name me Mikey. Oh my god. So freaking adorable. Who are you? Your name is Ray? Ray. I'm the ray of sunshine. Hopefully. I think I've been sleeping for a really, really long time. Oh. But what am I supposed to do now that I'm awake? Anything you want. Yes, fiancé. Can I help you? That does not mean you need to come over here. Yes, hi. Careful, babe, careful. Yes, hi, baby. Oh, yeah. Hi. 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 You know they're all that you can. Yes, hi. Get out of the camera. No, just hi to me. I love his kisses, but. Ear. His kisses are a little on the slobbery side. Good morning, Ray. I've got a new proposal for our town development project, so allow me to cut to the chase. For our next venture, I'd like you to refurbish our benches. Benches. Yes, I'm sorry that it's rather small project compared to before, to be honest. The benches completely slipped my mind. Once we polish them up a bit, though, our benches will have the ideal area for some good old R&R. That's the gist of it. As for the request details, they'll both be up on the bulletin board. Let these guys know if you ever want a Panzer cam. I know one of my favorite YouTubers, I can't remember her actual YouTuber name. I think it's Gab something. She's Jacksepticeye's girlfriend. I feel so bad that I can't remember the whole name of her YouTube channel. Hold on, this is bothering me. I gotta check it out because I can't remember the full name, and I want to make sure you know who it is. Okay, so I thought it was Gab Smolders, but that sounded wrong. But nope, that's right, Gab Smolders. She has her amazing cat BB, and she has a little BB cam whenever he comes in. So let me know if you ever want me to do that for Panzer, if he ever decides to venture in. In the meantime, let's get back to it. That's the gist of it. As the request details, they'll be up on the bulletin board. Appreciate your help, Ray. See you soon. Okay. Oh, it's Mikey's birthday. Mikey. I don't know what you like. Where are you? Somewhere here. Come on. There we go, Mikey. There's little brother. Okay, so that's all it says. I don't know what he likes. Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna continue gathering resources probably until the 9th, which is Lauren's birthday. Just because I don't know what Mikey likes. I don't even know what Lauren likes, but I figure that gives me more time getting more supplies, and then that way we can do more around the farm. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I will be back. I probably won't have my ears on anymore. It's just the hood, but it's really freaking warm. Love it. It's warm, but my room's already warm enough. So I'm gonna go back to gathering materials. I was working around my farm, and then I found this. It's a sheep. He's so cute. I'm sorry, I had to share that with you. Oh, what should we name him? Team. What should we name our sheep? Poof ball. Or poof. Poof. Wait, why not? Did I already name him Poof? Okay. Maybe I already named him Poof? We'll go with Fluff then. Oh. Love. Yes. Okay, wait. They're both named Floof, though. Okay, why couldn't I name him Puff? Or Poof? Come on, Poof. Hi. Ooh, I wonder if there's anything in the 3rd area. I am quickly going to check. It's always good to have your camera. Hmm. Don't see anything. Oh! Ooh, beetles. Huh. I don't think I have any of these beetles. I don't know if I brought the album. I think I did, but I don't remember. We can go for the squirrel. Yes. That one's the same. Is there anything else around here that I can take a picture of? That I can pet? Ooh, hi horse. Startled me. Oh, there was that, there's a beetle I saw. That one over by the third mine area. Wait, there we go. There we go. Aha! There he is. Perfect. Okay, I don't see any animals in this area. Wait, do I have that one? Oops. Wrong one. I don't think so. Oh, wait, I already do. Never mind. Well, we have a sheep now, which is so cute. Okay. Sorry, I just had to share that with you. And now I'm probably going to go around looking at every little bug that I come across. Are you different? Don't think so, but yeah, take a picture anyways. So yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna go back, but I just had to share the cute little sheep. It's so fluffy. Hey everybody back. I was just about to say hello to my golden goddess Lauren, and then I got a little cutscene, so I figured I'd share it with you. We may be small, but we're packed to the brim with places to relax and have fun. The beach, check out our museum, or rest at the hotel. Should we have a look around town first? Yes, good idea. I want to go shopping too. My golden goddess. Oh, hey Ray, what do you think? How do I look when I'm on the job? Wow, the famous tour guide at work. Amazing. The tourist looks excited. How do I look when I'm on the job? I would say amazing. Right? I'm pretty cool if I do so say myself. I'm not where I want to be quite yet. There's still a bunch of things I need to improve on. I want to put up posters for starters, and not just one or two either. A whole ton of them. Except if I want that many, then there are only so many places I can put them. I've got it. No, wait, ahoy there. What are you two doing here? A little proposition for you, Jason. Ooh, for me? That's right. I want to put up some posters here to advertise the town, like 50 of them. 50, Jesus. I'm sorry, but that's too much for me to handle. I'm going to have to turn down on this one. Oh, please, you gotta. We'll try in a ton of tourists, I promise. A ton, you say? No, wait. If you're putting them here, then only people who've already come to town will see them, right? How will that get us more tourists? I guess it won't, huh? Well, that was fun. I just thought I'd share that with you. I do have some things. Oh yeah, I was gonna say hi to her. Didn't say hi. I do have a bunch of things for the museum pictures that I took, as you guys got to see. A couple treasures that I found that I don't have yet. I haven't given them to the museum because I figured we'd do it all at once and just spend the day doing it. But yeah, so far that's it. Gonna upgrade some tools, and I want to get the honey. What do you call that? Do you call that? Beehive, that's it. I want to get the beehive up and running. Yeah. So far, that's it. Beehive up and running. Still working on getting that huge plant up and running. I don't think I'll get that huge plant for quite some time. Upgrades, beehives, maybe buying a couple, if I can buy more beehives and more like of the mushroom stand. I don't know. Oh, but before I do go, I want to show you guys what I've done on the farm in the last few days on here. I think it's Thursday. So it's only been 3-4 days since being on here. And check it out! Awesome new little farm. I've got all the summer vegetables so far. And I do have starting to get some more ores and stuff. More logs and stuff, which I'm super excited about, but I do need, I think I need 20 durable for the beehive. Oh, there's also fixing the town up for the benches, and I think it's 10 bricks, something like that. So actually, why don't we take the time right now to just need one of those. Excuse me. Just one. Yeah, so why don't we just, oh, the museum isn't open right now. But I can bring those bricks. I'll bring those bricks. Bring the bricks up. Then maybe we can have that cutscene tomorrow, which would be nice. Yes, I hear you, Panzer, but you're not coming in. Yes. Delivered. Oh, it's 20. Maybe I'll just give him supple lumber. Kind of want to keep the bricks. Well, anywho, I will do that again off screen, and I'm just gonna bring the supple lumber instead if I have it, and I'll just do that off screen so you don't have to watch me walking back and forth. Anyhow, back to gathering more materials because that part takes forever. Oh, got the ghost back. Ugh. You're the human I met before, right? Woo! Yes. It's so bright here. There's so much light. What do you mean? Well, I was awakened by the light. Is there something over there? Yeah, the town. Oh, this is so heartwarming. So where are you going? Please form a single line and disembark in orderly fashion. Where's the little ghosty ghost going? Aww. It's so cute. Checking in on everybody. Where? Oh! A native sprite. Wait, where'd they go? That was weird. But where did they go? I need to know. Wink, wink. I need to know. What the heck? Where did they? It looks like they went to the shrine. But why? Headed that way anyways. So... well, you're fine. You want to come in here, and then you want to go back out. You can wait a minute. Yeah, you can wait a minute. There we go. Supple? Yes. Yes. Oysters. I don't have oysters on me. Sorry. I'm sorry, Yuri. I don't have oysters. Alright, now back to checking out. Ghost again. Oh! Here they are! There's so many people. It's like I don't even know this place anymore. Aww. There's something really pretty about the morning sun, but I don't know what exactly. Oh, hi there. I'm glad to see you so early in the day. What else do you say? It's been so hot, the grass has really grown tall. What else do you say? Sun's really bright. I think we already got that one. They kind of sound like Navi from Legend of Zelda. Hey, listen. I don't know. Just something about it. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back to gathering up materials. We almost have everything for the beehive. Almost. Just a few more lumbers that I gotta wait for. And then I just handed in the other supple logs. So come tomorrow, we'll get the cutscene for the town. And hopefully we'll have enough for the beehive. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a couple other, we'll do some tool upgrades, and then I think we'll call it there for now. But we had a lot of time with the ghost today, so I think that's pretty cool. But anywho, I will be back. Alright, so I decided I would actually share with you being at the museum. I know this one's new. I don't think anything else that I've gotten from my little bags is new, but I know I have those photos. I don't know about the fish. No, okay, so I do have those fish. So photos first. Have I given you they all? Yeah. Okay. What more bugs? I'm gonna put them here, just in case I come across another butterfly. I'm gonna put it there. Hello. Donate. Oh, wait, photos. Stop. I definitely need a new controller. But it's okay. In time. It's only mildly irritating. Hello. Yes. Right. Bug. Bam. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, and check. Okay, so I guess it's just the one, but still, we've got a lot. And alright, my color coordination so out the window because there's a lot of white stuff and so far not a lot of other colors. There we go. But that's okay. Maybe, I don't know if I can change it later or not, but yeah, I figured I'd do that and also do the upgrading with you guys while I'm here. Ooh. Hello. Now that I have the money, because I tried upgrading a couple of times now and then realized I didn't have the money for it. Okay. Ooh, it's expensive after that. Oops. And this. Oh, supple lumber and gold. Oof. I don't have a lot of that. Okay. I have 29 silver, so I should. Okay, so I guess I can only do 2. I think definitely the fishing rod and also the watering can is what I can get right now with the money that I have. I have enough materials to do the rest, I do believe, for the most part, last 3, but I have to get more money for that, and that's okay. So I will go back to gathering materials, getting more money, and then again tomorrow we will have what the new benches and stuff look like, which is going to be super awesome, and I can't wait to share it with you. So till then, I go back. Alright, so we're back. It's the night before, so it's the 6th. In sleep, we're gonna see the awesome cutscene, I think, or we have to walk into town to see the cutscene, I don't remember. And we should have enough for the beehive. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of it, but I do. Okay, so we definitely have to walk into town. Just fine. Excuse me. Something from me. Alright, all of town sure is lively these days, huh? Yes. Ooh, fancy. I really like that. I'm thinking it's because you rolled on into town and built up that farm. Remember that time my old man was all, we'll create a lot of discoveries in this town, just you wait. Then I was like, yeah, but who's gonna do all that? And he pointed straight at you. He really believes in you, you know. Oh, my old man? He's hanging out in the hilltop, gazing out at the ocean, probably. Hey, Dad. See any ships out there? Jacob, I'm surprised you knew where I was. Today's the day the luxury liner's supposed to sail by, so I had a feeling you'd be up here keeping your eyes peeled for it. You know about all that. Duh, there's no way I'd miss out on the news that big. Ooh, that's really nice. They might pass us now, but maybe sure would be nice if we could get a ship like that docked on our shores. That it would, son. That it would. Still, I'm not sure if our town has what it takes to. Really moping about that? Yeah, we do. We've got someone who's taken town to the next level. Hey. To the next level, you say? Who might that be? I'm standing right next to you. Talking about Ray, obviously. Yeah. That's right, we've got Ray with us. How exactly can Ray help? I've been doing everything so far. Now that, I'm not sure, but I mean, everywhere she goes, people get inspired, right? That's a start. Ah, cow! Moo moo. A cow? What's this strange cow doing here? Not a cow, dude. It's me, Lars. Oh my god. Getting things convincing glad thing this thing is convincing though. I put my heart into making it. That is very convincing, cow. Yes, but why are you here? To show my cow suit off, of course. Got a problem with that? No, that is amazing. Well, no, but what for? Yeah, why the cow costume? That was weird. If I check, I should have the last piece of lumber. Durable lumber, so we can have our beehive, which will be awesome. Oops. Over here. Yes! Last piece achieved. Ooh, 3 pieces. Sorry. Actually, take this with me. That can go, that can go, that can go. So I need this, grass. Yeah, haha. I need 50 of these. Oops. And we have enough for a beehive, which is awesome. I don't think we have enough yet for the stable. I can check on it though, because we might. Not too sure. That'd be cool if we could get the stable done today too. Oh, a pineapple? That is cool. Look at a pear. Yes! Seeing a flower by a beehive will draw bees to it. After a few days, you'll be able to harvest honey-covered hives. Oh, okay, cool. What do I need for this? 50 lumber, 20 solid lumber, and 30 solid lumber. I don't think I have enough. Oh. You're coming with me. We did it! We got a beehive! I don't know why all day I kept forgetting its name, but yes. Yes, I did. Do some morning chores while I'm at it, while I'm over this way. Because for whatever reason, I can't name it Poof, my sheep, but I could name it Floof. But the alpaca is already named Floof, which kind of bugs me. Oh, extra happy cow. Ooh. Ooh. I like the looks of that. Ooh, extra. Love me, pets. Love me. Love me. Yeah, it bugs me that they're both named Floof. Why couldn't I name it Poof? I don't know. It must be a game mechanic. It must think that Poof is bad. Ooh. I can harvest? Yes. Pumpkins. I wish they were orange though. I'll have to buy some more. Haha. Ooh. Beehive can go right. I guess I have to move the tree. Be gone, tree. Set. Awesome. And I haven't even bothered to get the flowers for summer yet. Ooh, feel bad. There you go there. You go back in here. Oh, wait, I needed that. What was I doing? Purple red flower. Ooh. This one. There we go. Flowers. You know what? I don't think I planted any flowers for spring. I feel really bad now. Plant any spring flowers at all. I completely forgot that I could do that. Oh, I didn't make them much back then either, but still. To the flower shop! Because I'm not missing out on summer flowers. Ooh, cutscene? Yes! Oh, Ray, if you don't mind, I'd like to ask you something of you. Grandpa went out to the forest to pick some wild herbs and plants, but he forgot to bring a meal with him. I was planning on bringing one to him, but I'm a bit worried I may not be able to find him by myself. Would you mind coming with me? Sure thing! You will? Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. These are all peppermint leaves. Just standing near them is sort of refreshing, isn't it? Their misty fragrance really wakes you up. Why, if I had this many, I could put them in a bath and... Oh, while I'm here babbling away, Grandpa might be collapsed from hunger. Yeah, you're scatterbrained like I am. I can relate. He should be around here somewhere. At least, I think he should be. Grandpa! Please hang in there, Grandpa. I bought you something to eat. Oh, I love how he just perks right back up. Oh, it's you, Len. Were you only sleeping? Yes, just a little nap. Oh, and you even brought me something to eat. Is it Ray with you? Yes. Yeah, I didn't think I'd be able to find you when I came here alone, so I had her come with me. Ah, I see. You asked her to help you out, eh? That's right. Is there something wrong? Oh, no, nothing. But since we're all out here and you brought me this nice meal, we might as well have ourselves a little picnic. Ooh, I like that. I like picnics. Thank you so much for helping me today. It's been a while since Lynn's come to live here, but she's still not very used to country life. Thank you for putting up with her. Did you say something? Nothing important. I was just saying that I hope Ray here would become a regular customer. Now we need to give her flowers and good watering. Give me a hand, will you? Of course. Yeah, that's kind of why I came, because I didn't do any flowers. So I say hello to you, and a hello to you. Yeah, see, I haven't bought anything. Hibiscus seed. 8. And marigolds. No. Perfect! Now we have flowers. I can say hi to Jacob, seeing as he's here. Hello. Yeah. Keep meaning to say hi. No. Why are these guys working? These guys don't start till later? Oh, they start at 10. Now I'm curious. Hello? And hello? Panzer, stop licking your paw. Panzer, leave your paw alone. Panzer! Sorry, I gotta go get him. Now he stops. Shaq hasn't even noticed that the branches are new. I can't believe it sometimes. And take a look. Huzzah! Ooh, yeah, I can change my appearance. Ah, this was all in the beginning. I wish I was that 10. I'm not that 10. I'm just pasty as well. Oh, this is so cool. This is awesome. So if I wanted to change things up, I can. Oh, that is so cool. That is awesome. That is so awesome. Yes. Can I talk to you again? Haha. That is so cool. I didn't realize I could do that. Maybe we'll change it up later. For now, oh man. Well, I guess I only really had enough for one upgrade anyways. Hoe, bucket, or sickle? Bucket. I use this bucket a lot. Especially when it comes to draining the bigger puddles. Hey! Awesome! Ooh, I wonder... Can I... First, hello. Can I buy farm facilities? Ooh, beehive's expensive. Well, coop, barn, silo, mushroom log. Oh, just a little too expensive right now. Dang it. So what do I need to expand my house? 30 lumber, 30 solid lumber, 30 iron ingots, and 30 silver, and a heck of a lot of money. I think I have almost everything I need. Okay, I'm not quite enough for solid, but I have quite a few. Is Ralph here? No, that's fine. Oh, I also did complete a couple of... I think I finished one more of Lovett's thing. It was the mushroom one. Yeah, so now I just have 2 left. Ooh, I can get honey now for the honey yogurt. Perfect. I don't know what I need for that. You check. Check. Maybe we can make it. I don't know. Oh, hi, Jack. Maybe the tourist. I'll be a tourist myself one day. Seems like fun. Yeah. It's nice just once in your life just to go somewhere and be like, wow, I'm a tourist. I'm not from here. All the exciting things that you can do. Okay, so pineapple. No, do not sell 8. You can have 4. You can have all of those. You have that. Western line. Cannot have. There's no reason. Huzzah! Perfect. Oh, put my mushrooms on there. I'm leaving it like this so I can get more why does the name escape me right now? Sprinklers, that's it. I'm saving those traces so I can put sprinklers there. Where is everything? Ah, there we are. Take those and keep them over here for now. Oh, this is awesome. Wait. Is beekeeping the last thing I need? Oh, it is! Yes! Awesome! We have everything now. It's only level 1 and I have some things that are level 7. That's okay. We're doing a lot of mining. Trust me. You don't see it. but we are doing a lot of mining. Oh, I was gonna check and see if I can make that thingamaboober, and if we can, assuming it's here. Oh, I have that ingredient. It's just over here in my little box. This one? Yeah. There we go. Perfect, we can make it. We still can't make honey yogurt because we don't have honey yet, but we should have honey at least in a little bit. Aha! Perfect. Excuse me. Clean flour. Cook. Huzzah! Perfect. Sweet. Hi, Evil. I know you're all like, why didn't you name him Panzer? Well, Panzer's a German Shepherd, and unfortunately in this game they don't have German Shepherds. If they did, I would definitely name him Panzer, because Panzer's adorable, and he's my baby. Yes. Awesome. So all I have left is the honey yogurt. Sweet! So now we have more mushrooms, which is awesome. Because now we can make even better dishes. Almost. Cindy. I don't know why I keep saying Sydney. Cindy. Damien. We don't have enough for the silo yet, and done everything else. We're almost at an hour. I think I'll finish watering these plants and then we'll call it there. Then we'll call the game there. Oops. Yeah, my watering can, now that it's upgraded, instead of it just being 3 squares, it's now 6. That was really cool looking. Hoping to save up for sprinklers as well, but I do want to get the last of my tools upgraded before I do more sprinklers. I think I can do them already, but I want to save the... I guess I could put some iron off to the side. Next video. Oops. Also, Christmas is coming up. I hope you guys are excited. We only have a few weeks to go. Hopefully everyone is doing their Christmas shopping. You're gonna be excited. Or if you celebrate Hanukkah, Yule, I don't know what other ones there is. Hanukkah, Christmas, Yule. I think in Spanish it's Feliz Navidad, but I don't know exactly what you celebrate. I'm sorry, I only know a few things. I celebrate Christmas and Yule with my mom. And for those of you who don't know what Yule is, it's like Christmas. It's very similar, but instead of celebrating, you know, Christ and his birthday, we celebrate the switching of seasons. We have 3 people, 3 women. We have Maiden, Mother, and Crone. That represents spring, summer, and fall. It also represents aging and different things in life, where the father is the person who watches over us in the winter time. And Yule is a celebration of being with your family and coming around the fire. It's more of a celebration of changing of seasons and family than it is just presents and gifts. Not to say that we still don't do that because again, I do celebrate Christmas with the rest of my family. It's just something I do with my mom. That's a lot of fun. We can sell that one, and that one, because we have better ones. You can go in here. And sell these for now, just so I can get a little extra moolah. Yule, I don't know if anyone has heard of the Yule log. Some people, it's a pastry, but actually in ancient times, what we would do is we would go out and find the biggest pine tree and we would bring it into the community hall and we would burn it, and then it would keep us warm for the entire winter. That's just a little bit of what I know and, you know, what I'd like to share with everybody. So I need more of this one. I think I have everything else. So we should be able to next recording, get the stable, and I don't think I have enough of iron. Yeah, not much. Yeah, so I figured I'd share, you know, what I celebrate and, you know, things I celebrate and stories and tales around it. I think that's it for now. We're pretty much at an hour. I'm trying to get these videos a little shorter. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, I don't know why it wouldn't allow me to name that sheep Boof instead of Floof. I should come up with something else like Fluffy. I don't know if I can change it either. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. We got quite a bit done. We got the beehive done. We got benches done in town. Gathering a bunch of materials now. Getting things organized. Getting summer crops down. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and just remember, you guys are dynamite. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.